Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a list class or model class for our random game section on home fragment. Right? Go to Apple, then Java. Under your package name, as you can see, we have a list directory. Just and you can see here in the previous and old lectures, we have created a two list for our featured games and most played game list. Okay. As you know, our most played game is 100% same as of random games. There is no changes and everything is same. Let me show you. Go to login, make the login, then go to API setting, and this is the featured game. This is the most played game. Okay, as you can see, there is a status code, most played type, and game apps. And in the game apps, we have a list of games. The first one is game name, and let me show you the four random games. It is also similar, same as of all these feature game and multiplayer games. Okay, status code, type, and game hubs array of the games. Okay, okay. So here you can see it is a game name, and also the first key is the game name. Okay, both the key are same, and the second key is the game image, and also here second key is game image, which is also similar, and the third one is game URL. This key is also similar is with this one game URL. Okay, so there is no single difference. So the purpose of showing this video and these similarities is that we can simply copy this class to and rename it and give a name to our random game list. Okay, so because there is no any difference. So and if you do not want to create or separate use, then you can also use it without any issue. There is not a single issue. You can use it again and again in the all the fragments because we have clear the list every time before getting the API response. Okay, as you can see, we are clearing the list to getting the featured games. Okay, right. And again, if we are getting most played game, then we are again using the this clear list. So you can use the same list for any games or any multiple section if you want to do create in your home fragment. Okay, there is no issue, but for your understanding and betterness, I will suggesting you to create a separate layout. It's not an issue and it will not increase your app size, so do not worry about it. So let's copy this one. Right click on it, copy, keep the cursor on link, select this and right click on it and paste. Okay, now name it random game list. Okay, now press OK. As you can see, our list has been ready. There is not a single change is required. Okay, if you feel any issues, please feel free to contact me. This video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.